Hi, it's Professor Monty again, and let's simplify or reduce some fractions. So to do that, we're going to factor, get things that multiply, the numerator, the top of the fraction, and the denominator, the bottom of the fraction. And then we're going to cancel common factors. So I'll link prime factorization video I made before to this video, but here's the idea. We're going to get 20, and I want to know what the prime factors are. Well, 2 goes in there 10 times, and 2 goes in there 5 times. So the prime factorization is 2 times 2 times 5. It's all the stuff on the outside. So I'm going to put that up here. And with 26, 2 goes in there 13 times. 13 is prime. That's as much as I can do. So that's 2 times 13. Well, 2 divided by 2 is 1. And 1 times anything gives you back what you had. So now I just multiply everything that's left that doesn't cancel out. So the 2 times 5 is 10. And the 13 by itself on the bottom, and that's my answer. 20 over 26 reduces to 10 thirteenths, or simplifies, if you want to call it that. Let's do the same thing with the 18 over 84. So let's 18. 2 goes in there 9 times, and then 3 goes in there 3 times. So it's 2 times 3 times 3. With the 84, it's even. 2 goes in there 42 times. 2 goes in there 21 times, 3 goes in there 7 times. So it's 2 times 2 times 3 times 7. Well, they each have a 2. Those will cancel out. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times anything is what we have. The 3's cancel out. And you can do this 3 with this 3 or that 3 with that 3. It doesn't matter which one on the top you use, but it always has to be 1 from the top, 1 from the bottom. I'll just do those since they're lined up nicely. And so whatever I have left on top, 3. On the bottom, 2 times 7, 14, so 3 14ths. Now, if you don't want to be that fancy about it, this is technically what we're doing. But some people kind of shortcut it. And what I like to do in my videos is I like to show you how to do it. It might not always be 100% mathematically precise, and we can do proofs and crazy stuff. But let's face it, we're not math majors, typically. So let's look at this one again. I'll show you how I do it. I'm using the same properties. I'm just not spending as much time to do it. So for instance, 18 over 48, I think, okay, what number goes into both of them? Oh, I know 2 does. And when I'm looking for a number that goes in, I don't even have to think of a prime number as long as it goes into both. But I do know 2 goes in there. 2 goes in here 9 times. 2 goes in there 42 times. Well, now I've already reduced it to 9 over 42. Then I say, oh, do those have any common factors? Let's see. That's not even, so 2 doesn't go to it, but 3 does. And remember, if I add the digits, 4 plus 2 is 6. Since 3 goes into 6, 3 goes into 42. Remember, that only works for 3 and 9. It doesn't work for other numbers. But I know 3 goes in each of these. 3 goes in here 3 times. 3 goes in there, let's see, it goes into the 4 ones, carry the 1, 12. 3 goes into 12 4 times. These are what they call relatively prime. They don't have any common numbers other than 1. So we say, oh, 3 and 14, that's my answer. 3 14ths. And so that's a real quick way to do it. Now, let me show you a couple other ones that are important to know. If I have something like, say I've got 15 over 3. Now, remember, 15 is 3 times 5, and this is 3 also, but if I cancel those out, there's nothing on the bottom. Well, think of this as 3 times 1. And so now it's 5 over 1, but that just means 5 divided by 1, so it's just 5. If 1's on the bottom, don't leave it on the bottom. That's not fully simplified. You need to do that next step. Say, oh, that's 5 divided by 1, it's just 5. Conversely, say we have something like 2/8. Well, 2 goes into the bottom, 2 times 4. And again, this is 2 times 1. Cancel the 2's. The 1 stays on the top. Oh, that's 1/4. So if it's on the bottom, we're just going to do division. But 1 divided by 4, we don't know what that is necessarily. And so we leave it as 1/4. Again, you could do it the similar way. Oh, 2 goes in here once, goes in there 4 times. Oh, it's just 1/4. Okay, practice these. You'll get them. They just take a little bit of practice.